Greenland. The icy giant has all of a sudden become the center of a global showdown, and the world's most powerful leaders are raising the stakes here. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Athri. Well, Trump is sounding the alarm here. In a recent Truth Social post, US President Donald Trump, he has warned Denmark. You're not able to defend Greenland against Russia. Well, this comes just days after the US announced 10% tariff on 8 European nations, including Denmark, for refusing to comply with America's push to control Greenland. His message is loud, clear, unapologetic. Greenland is too strategic to ignore, and he is willing to go all the way to secure it. But you know what? There's more behind the scenes here. While the US and Europe quarrel, another global player, it is quietly moving ahead. Vladimir Putin. Reports suggest that Russia is subtly increasing its military presence near Greenland. Naval movements, recon flights, Arctic patrol, basically a slow but steady encirclement. Putin is watching the US and Europe's quarrel and positioning Russia to benefit if the tension rises further. But why Greenland is so much important right now? Let's talk about that. Greenland is not just ice and snow anymore. It is geopolitical gold mine. Location? Close to Arctic and key shipping routes. Resources? Rare minerals, oil, gas. Military presence? Well, a potential base to monitor Russia and the Arctic. Control of Greenland means control over the Arctic, and every major player wants a piece of it. In the meantime, the US and European Union clash is escalating. Europe has responded firmly here. 8 nations, including Denmark, France, Germany, Norway, Sweden, in fact, the Netherlands, Finland and the UK also, they condemn the US threats. They warn that tariffs are unacceptable and violate international agreement. European leaders vow to stay united, emphasizing sovereignty and Arctic security here. The stage, well, it is set for transatlantic showdown. Well, what does Trump want? Well, Trump has made his intentions quite clear here. Greenland must be under the US control. Tariffs and pressure, they are the tool to force the compliance. He is not ruling out further action if Denmark or Europe resists here. But this matters globally because the Arctic is no longer quiet. Russia is maneuvering. NATO is cornered. In fact, trade tensions and tariffs are escalating here, and Greenland's fate, it could shift global alliances. Every move is being watched by the world capitals, military planners and analysts. In the end, Greenland is no longer just a remote ice island. It is a strategic battlefield in the global power game. Trump is shouting warnings, Europe is standing firm, and Putin is quietly circling. The biggest question is who will control the Arctic and at what cost? The next move could reshape global policies, and the world is waiting.